guys, welcome back to Nursing Guru.
Hope you all are doing good and well.
So today we are going to do a awareness program about HIV/AIDS, so that we will get some public reactions of people what they really know about HIV/AIDS. So we can move on.
Let's go.
Oh,
Okay.
there is an interesting fact also.
What was that?
It was we will give a cash prize for them if they tell the right answer.
Oh yeah.
We will ask
that's
questions
good.
for them. If they tell the right answer, they will get cash prize.
Yay!
Okay.
Come on.
So there is not only the cash prize. We want to give more information about HIV/AIDS to them.
Right,
And
ML.
2023 HIV/AIDS Day. The theme of it is that let's
community
leads.
leads.
So that we want to cover every people in this park, so that we can get more information from them. Also, we can give more information them also.
Yeah.
So let's move on.
Come on.
Okay. Rules are there for this questionnaire. That means if you answer the first question, you will get 100 rupees cash prize. If you want to go to second question, you can go. If you answer the second question wrong, means your first question answer amount will be lost. So that if you want to quit, means you can quit in the first question. If you want to go move on, means you can go on. So that we will start with the questions. Okay. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. What does AIDS stands for? What is the full form of AIDS? This thing, you can take your time. You can tell. What is the full form of AIDS? You can guess it also, no problem. You can guess.
She has studied this in a school. I'm not remembering. Okay. Can we get a hint?
Hint here. You can tell in AIDS, in AIDS. Any word you can tell. In any one you are getting.
Disease. D for disease.
What A stands for, what I stands for, what D stands for, what S stands for. Any one you can tell.
Deficiency, I think.
Yeah, one you got. One got. D you got. Deficiency you got. Yeah.
Deficiency syndrome?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the front.
Immune.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
That
I
one
is
also is
right.
right. Yeah. In one more A is pending. You will. This much you got, no? That one also you will get. Yeah. So I will tell the answer. No worries, because this much you tried, no? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. I will ask one more question. Then we can continue. No problem. We have 5 questions for you. I will ask. Okay. What does HIV stands for? The full form of HIV.
Okay, virus. Some virus.
Yeah, virus. Okay. Then what H and I stands for?
Yeah.
Not hemoglobin. H means no.
Yeah.
H you can compare with our people.
Human.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then next,
Human immunovirus.
Yeah.
human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, then we can go for the third question. No problem. Please tell some of the way in which HIV can be contracted. Any two?
From blood.
Yeah.
And saliva.
Saliva. Okay. Can you tell one more?
From sex.
Yeah. Okay. That should not be this much silence. You can tell like that. No. Okay. Fine. What is the theme of World's AIDS Day 2023?
No idea.
So that we will tell, no problem. Let communities leads. Okay. So last year it was equalize. This year it is let community leads. Okay. So you participated with us 4 questions. One question you have be right, and last first 2 questions you try to maximum, so that there will be appreciation. Cash prize from us. Okay, thank you for participating with us.
Thank you so much.
Getting the cash prize.
Yeah, confirm.
Yeah.
You participate with us now, so the appreciation should be there now. Okay.
So this is your
This is our from Nursing Guru family.
Nursing Guru
Okay,
family.
thank you.
So much. So Sushmita, Aarti.
Okay.
Sisters, we both are sisters.
Okay. We are doing a awareness program of HIV/AIDS, so that how many you people, how much you know about HIV/AIDS, and what should be the awareness we should give, so that we can start with our first question. Okay. So first question is, what does AIDS stands for? What is the full form of AIDS?
You know? Biology student, come on.
Wait, no, I said long ago.
Seriously?
I said long ago.
No, we're from engineering, so
Yeah.
we kind of have very little knowledge about it.
In
It's
plus
the
1 plus 2 you people.
deficiency syndrome.
Yeah. Immune deficiency syndrome is right, but what is A stands for? The first letter stands for. This much you got now that.
Why would you give up?
Hey, no need to give up here. You should participate. You should move on. Yeah,
Should participate, okay. What's A stand for?
Guess. Any A words with A starting words you can tell. Try. I will give 3 chance for A only.
Ajinomoto.
Okay, fine. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.
Oh.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Contagious.
I will ask one more question. What does HIV stands for? What is the full form of HIV?
HIV.
HIV.
Immunity virus or something.
Yeah, that one also is right.
are you missing out the
IV is right, but yeah, always the first letter is the problem.
Human.
Yeah. Then continue. Say it in one word.
Human.
Human immunodeficiency virus. Okay. So that's the question is right. So we can go for the third question. No problem. Okay, fine. This question will be. I think it will be easy for you. Please tell some of the way in which HIV can be contracted. How HIV can be transferred from one people to another people. You can tell any two way. Yeah, blood is the right answer.
Bodily fluids.
Okay, it's the right answer. Can you tell one more?
Cuts and wounds.
Cuts and wounds. Yeah, it's
If
needle
blood.
prick injuries it may cause. Yeah, cannot in other form.
I don't think it's sexually transmitted.
Okay.
It is.
It is.
Yes, it's a trans.
It's a main cause of HIV. HIV AIDS is main cause is unprotected sex and multiple partners is a main thing. So we can go for the fourth question. You're quitting now.
What do we get if we quit now?
Yes, I will give 3 questions on. No problem.
Okay. So we got 3 right.
Yeah, you got the 3. No problem. You got the 3.
Damn.
Yeah. We should give from our
You
side.
can try last one also. One more question. you
Yeah,
can.
one more question. We
Sure.
can.
Sure.
What is the World's AIDS Day 2023 theme? Theme of World AIDS Day 2023.
Awareness of unprotected sex. Is it?
No. This we will tell. Let community leads.
Let community
Leads.
leads.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you for participating with us. So there will be appreciation prize for you because you already you tried to answer first 3 questions now. So that from our part we will get the cash prize for you.
Yeah.
Okay, this is real.
This
Yeah,
is
that's
real.
good.
You can give it in any shops, no problem. They will take the money.
Okay, this prize from Nursing Guru family.
Thank you.
Thank you so much participate.
It
Myself
was really
Feba.
good talking to you
Myself
people.
Melvin.
Melvin.
Yeah. So I will ask the first question. What does AIDS stands for? What is the full form of AIDS?
Acquired immunodeficiency.
Very
Okay, it's
good.
the right answer. Okay, you're going for the second question or you're quitting now?
Sure? Yeah.
Okay, sir. What does HIV stands for? What is the full?
Immunodeficiency.
Okay, that one also is a
Right
correct answer.
answer.
Okay.
You did
So
well.
we are going for the third question or you're quitting now?
I will continue.
You will
Okay.
continue. Okay, so this one also will be a simple question. Please tell the sum of the way in which can HIV can be contracted.
Sexual transmitted disease and any HIV viruses. These 2 answers.
Yeah, it's virus is not the correct answer. Yeah, you can tell one more.
Multiple sexual activities.
Okay. Okay, fine. So you going for the fourth question or you're continuing? Quitting?
Fourth question.
What to do? Yeah, I will continue.
You will continue. So, what is the theme of World AIDS Day 2023? There's a theme for 2023 World AIDS Day.
2023.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't have any idea. Any guess? Any clues you can?
It's about communities. Every communities.
You have any idea?
Okay, fine. This I will tell. Let community leads.
Okay.
That's
the
the
theme
theme
is
of.
the community,
community
leads.
So fine. You have answered 3 questions, so that there will be appreciation prize money for you. It's our honor from Nursing Guru family. So I will give you. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh.
So you did very well. Thank you so much.
What does AIDS stands for?
AIDS.
Yeah. What is the full form of AIDS?
I don't know.
So we can ask for one more question for
Yeah.
them. Okay, so please tell the some of the way in which HIV can be contracted. How we can prevent HIV from us.
Tell Kannada, sir.
ಇದು ಏಡ್ಸು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಸರ್ HIV ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
So you want 100 rupees. So we are going for the second question or you are quitting? Second question. Is there is a cure for HIV or AIDS? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು HIV ಏಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾವುದು ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
HIV ಮತ್ತು ಏಡ್ಸ್
ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ನೇಮ್ಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದು HIV ಏಡ್ಸು ಅದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು.
ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಿಟಿಂಗ್ ನೌ?
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
HIV ಏಡ್ಸು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗೇ ಪೀಪಲ್?
ನೋ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಗೇಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸಾಕಾ? ಸೊ we can give the prize money for them. So just clap for them. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So this is your 300 rupees.
So this is from our Nursing Guru team. So all the best for the day. Thank you. So the first question is, what does AIDS stands for?
AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency.
Yes, one more word is there. S stands for?
Syndrome.
Oh, good. So his answer, yeah. So you're going for the second question or? Okay. The second question is, please tell some of the way in which HIV can be contracted. So how it can be spread to other. Yeah.
Through multiple sex.
Yeah.
Blood transfusion. Mother to fetus.
Okay, it's also correct answer. So we are going for the third question. Okay, sir. The third question is, what is the theme of World's AIDS Day 2023? So your first two answers amount.
It's okay.
Fine. Just we will give some for you appreciating for you participate or no. So that we will give some cash prize for you. Okay.
Please tell me what is the theme?
Theme is let's community leads.
Community leads.
Yes, community leads. So thank you for participating. No, fine. It's our just.
It's the gift from our
Yeah.
Nursing Guru.
Nothing. It's yeah.
We are very
Thank you. So the first question is, what does AIDS stands for?
AIDS.
What is the full form of AIDS?
It's
Yeah. So just I will give one more chance. We can go for the another question. It will be a simple question for you. Please tell the sum of the way in which HIV can be contracted. So how we can prevent HIV/AIDS?
by physical contact, avoiding physical contact.
One more, can you tell?
Um,
Okay, fine. So you're going for the second question or? Yeah. So, okay. What is the one of World AIDS Day to show support the people living with HIV? I mean, a symbol is there or no? Yeah. HIV, for HIV, some symbol is there or no?
we can't have any engineering questions.
How engineering question we can be in this? Okay, fine.
Your answer is in front of you only.
Like,
Logo.
yeah, logo. In front of you only the answer is there, then why?
This one,
Then how much I am telling that in front of? Okay. So you are going for the third question or quitting now?
No, I'm going.
When is World AIDS Day observed?
Any clues?
Any clues means I will send symbol. Which month they are celebrating the AIDS Day? I mean, which month it will be?
March?
Yeah, month, not March. Okay, you're finished. Okay, fine. So you participated with us now, so that we will give a prize for that only. So happy to join with us. So we can give the prize now. Okay, so it's a love from us. Okay.
Thank you so much. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Please tell the sum of the way in which AIDS can be contracted. How to prevent AIDS, HIV/AIDS.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ರಕ್ತ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆಸೋವಾಗ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
So we are going for the second question or you are quitting now?
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೆಗಿತೀರ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬೇರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Okay, sorry, you're quitting. Okay. Thank you for joining with us. So okay.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
No, fine. It's our part now.
You answered very well, so
Yeah.
give your prize.
Yeah. So yes, give. Okay.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಕೆಟ್.
Okay.
Myself, Veba. He is Melvin.
ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಯು.
Okay. Just first question is, what does AIDS stands for? What is the full form of AIDS?
Let me think.
Yeah, fine. You can take how much you want. You can take it. No problem.
Acute immunodisorder syndrome.
Yeah, it's one word is wrong, but okay, we can add this one. It is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Okay, fine. So you are going for the second question, or you are quitting now?
Okay, I'll go for the second.
Okay, fine. It's a good question, a simple question for you. Please tell the sum of the way in which AIDS can be, HIV AIDS can be moved to one person to another. You can tell any two ways that HIV can be transferred, AIDS can be transferred.
Through sharing needles
Yeah.
and through sexual contact.
Okay, it's six of the correct answer.
Right answer.
So you are going for the third question, or you are quitting now?
Third question.
Okay, fine.
I just want to see how much I know.
Okay, fine. Then just it's one more question. What does HIV stands for? What is the full form of HIV?
Something virus, isn't it?
Yeah, HIV. We stands for virus. Okay, fine. That HIV what it stands for?
Human
Yeah. It's human immunodeficiency virus.
virus.
Okay. So that you are participating well. So that I will ask one more question to you. It will be an easy question for you. What is worn on World AIDS Day to show support to people living with HIV/AIDS? What we wear on AIDS Day to show support of HIV people?
Simple.
A symbol will be there. No? Okay. So that last question for you, the fifth question. Okay, what is the theme of World AIDS Day 2023? Yeah, so that the theme is important for everyone. So that I will tell the theme. Let communities lead. Let communities lead. Okay, fine. You participate well with us, so that we will give you appreciation amount for you. It's our pleasure. Okay.
This is your prize from Nursing Guru. Thank you so much for participating.
What does AIDS stands for? It means what is the full form of AIDS? You know the full form of AIDS?
Sorry.
So okay, fine. Just we will give one more chance. We will ask one more question to you. We can answer this question. Please tell the sum of the way in which HIV can be contracted. How HIV can be spreaded to one person to another person. Any two ways that it can be transferred.
ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ
Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಮದರ್ ಪಾಪುಗೆ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಥರ.
Okay, it's okay, fine. So you're going for the second question, or you're quitting now? Okay. The causative virus of AIDS was isolated in the year of which year the AIDS year have started? You know the year?
No.
So it can be your answer is wrong now. So for this we will give a appreciation amount for you to participate in our program. So that I will give you. Okay.
This is your cash prize. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
So we are going to end up our video section.
Hope you all are like our videos, and for more awareness videos, stay tuned.
Please subscribe and follow on Instagram and YouTube.